Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove tailgate Ford F250. Begin by lowering the tailgate and supporting it on a soft surface. Disconnect the tether cables and electrical connectors, then free the assist struts if equipped. Use a punch and hammer to drive out hinge pins while a helper steadies the tailgate. Keep all washers and clips organized for reinstallation and inspect hinges for wear before carefully proceeding. Prepare your workspace and tools for a smooth job and safer removal. Put on gloves and eye protection, then chalk the wheels to prevent movement. Lay a padded surface to protect the tailgate and bed edges. Collect a punch, hammer, sockets, and a pry bar so you won't pause mid-job. Have a helper steady the tailgate while you remove hinge pins and keep all fasteners organized for reassembly. Reverse the removal steps and take your time aligning hinge pins to ensure a flush fit. Reinstall washers and clips in the original order and reconnect tether cables and electrical plugs. Test the tailgate swing and latch operation, then adjust hinge bolts or use shims if it binds or sits unevenly. Inspect seals and apply dielectric grease to electrical connections to prevent corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.